So this is the taxonomy of Lamiaceae, the mint family. According to the Bentham and Hooker system of classification, it belongs to class Dicotyledone, subclass Gammopetalae, and series Bicarpellatae, order Lamiales, family Lamiaceae. There are some of the important plant species of Lamiaceae. They are the Anisomylus malabarica, Coleus barbatus, Coleus blumei, Heptis ovulans, Leonatus nepatifolia, Lucas aspera, Mentha arvensis, Ocimum basilicum, Ocimum gratissimum, Ocimum tenuiflorum, Oreganum mazorana, Rosmarinus officinalis, and Salvia officinalis. These are the pictures of the plant species Anisomylus malabarica, Coleus blumei, and Hyptis joviolens, Leonatus nepetifolia, and Mentha arvensis, Ocimum basilicum, Ocimum gratissimum, Ocimum tenuiflorum, and Oreganum mazorana, Rosmarinus officinalis, and Salvia officinalis. And this family consists of 200 genera and 3,500 species with cosmopolitan distribution. 65 genera and 400 species are reported from India. Coming to habit of this family members, they are perennial or annual herbs. And vegetative characters, the root system which is a dicotyledonous feature having taproot system which is branched one. And the stem is aerial, erect, herbaceous in nature, and the stem in the outline they shows the quadrangular in nature, and they are aromatic and branched. Coming to leaves, they are simple leaves, petiolate, and they show opposite decussate, the type of phyllotaxy, and they are covered with the epidermal glandular hairs which are secreting the volatile oils, and they show the reticulate venation. Coming to floral characters, the inflorescence is cymose type of inflorescence. The cymes at the nodes are considered into condensed into a false wore-like structure which is known as verticillester in Leucas as well as in Leonatis. And the Ocimum species which show the special type of inflorescence, the Thyrsus, which is a mix of the cymose as well as racemose type of inflorescence. Coming to flower, it is a bracteate, pedicellate, complete, bisexual, and zygomorphic in nature due to the bilepped corolla, and they are pentamerous and hypogynous. Coming to calyx, the number of sepals are 5. They show the gamosepalous in nature, and they are bilipped 1 plus 4 in Ocimum, and 3 plus 2 arrangement in Salvia, and they show the valvate estivation. And corolla petals are 5 in number. They are gamopetalous in nature. They are 2-lipped, means bilipped in nature. 4 plus 1 in Ocimum, and 4 in posterior lip and 1 in anterior lip. Or 2 plus 3 in Salvia and Leucas. The estivation is valvate in Ocimum and imbricate in Salvia. Coming to Andrecium, the number of stamens are 4. They are epipetalous, and the characteristic feature they show didynamos in nature, means out of 4 stamens, the 2 stamens are having the very short filaments, and another 2 stamens show long filaments. And in Salvia, only 2 stamens are to be present. In each stamen, a fertile anther lobe is attached at the anterior end of very long connective, while the posterior end is present the sterile anther lobe. The filaments are free, anthers are dithecous and introverts in nature. This is the pollination mechanism which is to be completed by means of the insects in Salvia, which is known as the liver mechanism. Coming to Gynoecium, bicarpellary syncarpus and the superior ovary is to be present, and the bilocular, but it becomes quadrilocular due to the formation of false septum. One ovule in each locule with axial placentation is to be present. The style is a characteristic feature which arises from the base of the gynoecium, the gynobasic style, and the stigma is bifid in nature, and it is hypogynous flowers. And fruit, It is a schizocarpic type of fruit breaking into four nutlets or achids. The picture shows the gynobasic style, and this is the floral diagram of the Ocimum basilicum with flowers, longitudinal section of flower, the twig, and the gynoecium with the gynobasic style and the bifid stigma, and the left side the floral diagram which is showing the all floral parts. And this is the picture of salvia plant species with the floral diagram which is showing only two stamens, and the left side of the top the gynoecium which is the gynobasic style and bifid stigma, on the a single stamen with the connective having a fertile anther, the longitudinal section of flower with the two fertile anthers. And coming to economic importance of this family, many species are the garden ornamental plants such as Coleus blumei, Lavandula officinalis, Ocimum basilicum, Rosmarinus officinalis, Salvia officinalis, Salvia splendens, and Thymus vulgaris. Many species they produce the volatile oils. The basil oil is obtained from Ocimum basilicum, Ocimum canum, and Ocimum sanctum, which is used in medicines as well as perfumery industry. Lavender oil is obtained from Lavandula officinalis, which is used in cosmetics and perfume industry. Mint oil from Mentha arvensis and Mentha spicata used in nausea and vomiting. Peppermint oil from Mentha piperata is used in pharmacy and confectionery. And rosemary oil from Rosmarinus officinalis is used in medicines and perfumery industry. Sage oil from Salvia species used in medicines and perfumery. And some of the medicinal plants are from this family are Ocimum tenuiflorum. The previously it is to be called as Ocimum sanctum. The leaves are used for cough, cold, and fever. And Mentha spicata leaves are used for preparing chutney, which helps in the indigestion and rheumatism. Thymus vulgaris leaves are effective against hookworms. Camphor is obtained from the oil of Ocimum kilimanjsaricum, and root tubers of some species of Coleus and Ocimum are edible in nature. Thank you.